Welcome to Top Picks Now. The Best Spain adapter is probably one of the most essential travel accessories for anyone heading to Spain. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time visitor, ensuring your devices can charge and function properly is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Spain adapters, exploring the best options available to keep your devices powered up and ready for your adventures. Number 5. BESTEK 250W Universal Travel Adapter. Worried about keeping your devices powered up abroad? This adapter is the perfect solution. It's designed to make charging easy, no matter where you are. This BESTEK adapter is the top choice for international travel, especially in Europe. It comes with a unique EU plug and 4 additional adapters, making it incredibly versatile. Using patented technology, it converts voltages from 100-240V to 110V for your American appliances. It has a high conversion rate, making it more efficient than other converters. BESTEK is the only ETL-certified brand in the converter market, ensuring your safety. It provides complete protection for your devices with multiple safety features and a 24-month guarantee. With 250W output, for USB ports, and 3 AC sockets, it can charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. It supports travel in over 150 countries, including iconic locations worldwide. What we like. This adapter is a true powerhouse, not just a plug adapter. It converts voltage, making it perfect for your American appliances in Spain. With multiple ports and worldwide compatibility, it's the ultimate travel companion. If you're looking for a reliable solution to power your devices and protect them, this is the one. What people say. This adapter worked perfectly in Spain. It was exactly what I needed to charge my devices. The adapter fit snugly into the wall outlet and provided a secure connection. Number 4. TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter with USB ports. This travel adapter is your global power solution, covering over 150 countries. It works in Europe, the UK, Australia, and the USA, making it perfect for international travel. This adapter ensures you're always connected. With 3 USB-A ports and a USB-C port, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously. The USB-C port provides fast charging, ideal for your phone, tablet, or laptop. It delivers a total of 17W of power. This adapter offers a universal AC outlet and 4 USB charging ports. It can charge up to 5 devices at once, with a maximum capacity of 2,500 watts. It's perfect for hotels, bedrooms, and dorm rooms. It converts plugs from US, EU, AU, and UK to Type A. You can use electronics from various countries in the USA. Please note, this is not a voltage converter, it only supports devices with a voltage range of 100V to 250V. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your luggage. It has no surge protection and no cords, safe to take on a cruise ship. The adapter includes double fuses and integrated safety shutters for your security. What we like. This adapter offers a simple yet effective solution for charging multiple devices. With its multiple USB ports, you can keep all your gadgets powered up. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a travel adapter that is easy to use and covers most of the world, this is a great choice. What people say. The 4 charging ports work great and it handled hair dryers and hot rollers, my wife's, with ease. It has been on 2 European trips so far and works great. This adapter is worth every penny. You're getting 3 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, plus compatibility with outlets in the US, Europe, UK, Australia, and Ireland, all in one sleek package. Number 3. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics Travel Adapter Kit. This is your all-in-one solution for staying powered up, no matter where your travels take you. It's designed to be compact and easy to carry. It features 2 USA sockets, a USB-A port, and a USB-C port with 35W PD. This allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including your phone and laptop. The included USB-C cable makes it even more convenient. Designed with travelers in mind, it's ultra-compact and lightweight. A travel pouch is included for easy storage. This adapter is perfect for quick charging of compatible devices. Built-in surge protection keeps your electronics safe from voltage spikes. The voltage indicator lets you know the voltage in the outlets. Remember, it's not a voltage converter. The kit includes 6 different adapter plugs for use in Europe, the UK, the US, Australia, China, Germany, France, and Japan. This ensures that it works in most countries around the world. Other attachments are sold separately. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty. It's compatible with electronics and chargers for worldwide voltage, 100-240 V AC. However, it is not compatible with 110 V AC only devices. What we like. This adapter prioritizes safety with its built-in surge protection, safeguarding your devices from voltage spikes. It also includes multiple adapters for various regions. If you are looking for a safe and fast charging adapter, this is a great choice. What people say. This adapter worked perfectly in Spain. It fit the outlets without any issues. I was able to charge my phone and use my hair dryer without any problems. Number 2. TESSAN EU Travel Adapter with USB ports. This is the TESSAN travel adapter, designed for use in most European countries. It's a convenient way to keep your devices charged while you travel. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. This adapter is compatible with countries like France, Germany, and Spain. However, it's important to note that it may not work in the UK or Ireland. Always check before your trip to ensure compatibility. The adapter features 1 American outlet and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C port. This allows you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for travelers who need to keep multiple gadgets powered up. The USB ports offer fast charging capabilities, with the USB-C port providing up to 3A of power. This means you can quickly charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. It intelligently detects the device and provides the optimal charging current. The adapter is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It's designed to save space and is ideal for travel. It's also a cruise ship essential. This adapter works with 100V to 250V devices. If you plan to use high-power items like hair dryers, make sure they are compatible with the voltage range. Otherwise, you may need a separate power converter. What we like. This adapter is designed for simplicity and convenience. It offers multiple USB ports for charging your devices. The compact size makes it perfect for travel. If you are looking for a simple and compact adapter for Europe, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent adapter, not voltage converter, for utilizing 220 outlet on cruise ships and adding USB charging at the same time. This is a 1:1 adapter allowing you to use 110-250V products like laptop power supplies with 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C charging ports. Comes in very handy when you travel since you can charge your laptop, phone, headphones, and portable charger all at once. Number 1. TESSAN USB-C European Travel Plug Adapter. This adapter is perfect for your European travels. It allows you to use your US devices in many European countries. It's compact and easy to carry. The adapter features 4 AC outlets, 1 USB-C port, and 2 USB-A ports. This allows you to charge up to 7 devices at once. It reduces the need for multiple adapters. The USB-C port provides 15W of fast charging. This is ideal for charging your phone, earphones, and other devices quickly. It's a convenient feature for travelers. This adapter does not convert voltage. Make sure your devices support dual voltage, 100-250V. It's essential for the safe use of your electronics. The adapter is small and lightweight, making it easy to pack. Its design ensures it won't block other outlets. It is a great travel essential. What we like. This adapter maximizes your charging options with multiple AC outlets and USB ports. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry. If you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously, this adapter is a great choice. What people say. It handled charging my phone, tablet, and portable charger all at once, while my husband used the AC outlets for his gear. The plug fit securely in every outlet we encountered, and I liked that the design didn't block other plugs. It allowed me to charge multiple devices at once without any slowdown, and everything charged quickly and efficiently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.